Hello and welcome to the Inspire Academy Elementary English Unit 11. Today we're going to learn about telling time in English. Now, we know you know how to tell time in your own language, but telling time in English is a little bit different, and we're going to go over that. So we're going to look at the clock, the calendar, and seasons and holidays. Telling time in English. So it's a little bit different than telling time in other countries and in other languages because in English we do not go by the 24-hour clock, meaning in the afternoon we start all over again counting from 1. So for example, 1 p.m. is 1300 o'clock in other languages. Now, that in English, some professions use the 24-hour clock. For example, sometimes they call it military time, 1300, 2200 hour. But the normal person, the average person, almost always uses the AM and PM method, the morning and afternoon method. So let's take a look at it. The clock will start at 12 a.m. That's midnight. That's the middle of the night, midnight. And then it goes to 1 a.m. A.m. means morning, 1 o'clock, and it's read 1 o'clock in the morning. 2 a.m., 2 o'clock in the morning. 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m. Then at 11 o'clock in the morning, we flip all the way over to 12 p.m. noon. So a lot of people have lunch at 12 p.m. noon. 12 p.m., then we go to 1 p.m. So instead of 1300, we say 1 p.m. Instead of 1400, we say 2 p.m. 2 p.m. or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So what time is it? It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m. You can say either one. You could say 5 p.m. or you could say 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Most people would say 5 p.m. So let's take a look at these. What time is it? It's 4 a.m. What time is it? It's 7 a.m. What time is it? It's 11 a.m. or 11 o'clock in the morning. In the afternoon, you would say it's 4 p.m., it's 7 p.m., it's 11 p.m., or it's 11 p.m. in the evening, or it is 4 p.m. in the afternoon. So let's take a look at this. What time is it? How do you read the clock? Number 1. What time is it? It's 11:55. Number 2, 12:15. Number 3, 12:19. Number 4, 12:56. Number 5, 5 o'clock. Number 6, 6:07. Number 7, 8:03. Number 8, 10:10. Number 9, 12:45. Number 10, 6:25. Number 11, 10:09 or 10:09. Number 12, 1:30. You read the clock 2 numbers at a time. Read the hour first. So for example, in number 1, the hour is 11. Then you read the minutes, and in number 1, the minutes are 55. So you read the clock as 11:55. Excuse me, do you know what time it is? Yes, it's 6:15. Thank you. So let's talk about setting appointments. In a calendar, you have 24 hours. That would make a day. So one day is 24 hours. There are 7 days in a week. There are 28, 30, or 31 days in a month. There are 4 or sometimes a little more than 4 weeks in a month. 52 weeks in a year and 12 months in a year. There are 7 days in a week. The 7 days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. There are 12 months in a year. Those months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. We also have 4 seasons in many countries. You have 4 seasons in the year. You have spring, summer, autumn, and winter. In some countries, you only have winter, and in some countries, you only have summer. These are called spring, summer, autumn, or fall, and winter are called the 4 seasons. Setting appointments. Here's an example of how you can set appointments. Bob wants to set an appointment with Anne. Bob will call Anne and he'll say, "Can we schedule an appointment for Monday, November 5th, 2022 at 4 p.m.? And Anne will say, "Yes, I will add it to my calendar." Okay, so here's another way to set an appointment. Jean wants to set an appointment with Chloe. Jean will call Chloe or will meet with Chloe and say, "Let's get together for dinner on Friday, August 15th. Are you free that day?" And Chloe will respond, "No, I'm working that day. Are you free on Saturday, the 16th? Then Jean will say, "Saturday looks good. How about 7 p.m.? Those are 2 examples of how you could set an appointment. Let's do a knowledge check. In the middle here, you can see the answers to the questions. When does summer holiday begin? When is Christmas? When is the wedding? And the answers are, when does summer holiday begin? June 20th, 2022. When is Christmas? Christmas is December 25th. When is the wedding? The wedding is September 5th, 2022. Let's do another knowledge check. Take a look at this calendar. When is your appointment? Can you read it? What season is it? When is your appointment? My appointment is on October the 21st at 3 p.m. What season is it? It is autumn. So, to review, we learned about telling time in English, days, weeks, months, and years, setting appointments, and special occasions. Have a great day and see you soon.